Good evening. I'm UR15 CS335. So this program, Java program, is based on the concept called file IO. Basically, it is a file handling program. I have chosen the program in which uh, it treats the white spaces and punctuations in a given file. Um, so I have a class called myText. In that, I have done everything in a public static void main, and it throws an exception. So the first thing is I have to create a file, new file. I've created a file called my text in my desktop in which I have written something. So I have pasted the path in my new file constructor, and in system.out.println I am just reading whatever it is in the file. That is using f. F is the object. F dot can read. So I'm creating I'm creating an object for file reader fr is equal to new file reader, and I am passing the object f, that is the previous file's object, and a buffer reader dr, and I am passing the object of the file reader. So string data, I'm initializing it to null and a character, and I have to count space and punctuation. So I'm initializing spaces and punctuations to 0. So here is my main program. While my data is equal to the buffer reader dot read line is not equal to null. That is, it reads the text in the file. So when the text ends, there will be only null. So if it is not equal to null, only then the control enters into the block while loop. And here I have a for loop. For I is equal to 0 is it is still I less than data dot length. We doesn't know the length of the data in file. So using the function called data dot length, we can know the size of the data, and I increments. So the next line I have ch is equal to data dot character at I. So I have given a for loop and it reads character by character. So I have a variable called character in which it reads data dot character at. First it reads when my I is equal to 0. It reads the character at 0. And if my character is equal to white space, that is a blank space, it just counts the spaces. Else if it is not a space and if it is of some punctuations like comma or a colon or exclamatory, it just increments the punctuation count. So in system.out.println, at last, after counting the entire, this loop finishes once when the file reaches to null, and it displays how many white spaces are there and punctuations are there. And after that, my file reader also closed, my buffer reader also closed. Let us see the output. So you can see white spaces and punctuation 6. I'll show you my file. This is my text in that I have written I am a car union and I'm doing my second year BTech CSE. So you can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 spaces. Yes, there are 8 white spaces and punctuations 1, full stop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 punctuations. Yes, so in my text file I have 8 spaces and 6 punctuations, and it is reading it exactly. Thank you.